Also got that for so we may be here. We came to visit here. There's been a prayer meeting here. But our flight was cancelled. And we came when it was already cancelled. And I just wanted to be with you. We were together and we talked. And also yesterday on Thursday. And the pastor speaking to we went with this beautiful we went to preach the people, the homeless people. And also give them gifts as a symbol of God. We also fellowship tonight. All those who are part. And also the other part. The other also we are able to. And also welcome those. Talking is no more important. Being happy and grateful in you said that you're happy for us. God showed that without taking time. Exodus 24.
zamuka uza wundi umusozi ugomeye nanjye nzakuba ibisate by'amabuye niho amategeko byategetswe nanjye kubigisha.
Then the Lord said to Moses, come up to me on the mountain, stay there, and I will give you the tablet of stone on which I have inscribed the instructions, the commands, so you can teach the people. Let's read also the book of Genesis 28.
aravuga ngo Yakobo arakanguka aravuga ati umuntu w'Uwiteka ari ahantu nanjye